ॐ अखण्डानन्दसम्बोधो वन्दनादि यस्य जायते गोविन्दं तमहं वन्दे चिदानन्दतनुं गुरुं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। वैराग्य towards one's own body, which means desirelessness, because all desires are there because of attachment or identification with one's own body. So in the following 11 shlokas now, this is elaborated from 52 onwards. दूरादवेक्ष्याग्निशिखां पतंगो रम्यत्वबुद्ध्या विनिपत्य नश्यति यथा तथा नष्टदृगेश सूक्ष्मम् कथं निरीक्षेत विमुक्तिमार्गम्। यथा पतंगः, just as a moth seeing the fire from outside, from a distance, durad agnishikham avekshya, in that he has ramyatva buddhi, ramyatva buddhya vinipatya nashyati, falling there he dies. Tatha nashtadrigesha Mudha buddhi aviveki, this person who has lost his vision of what is good for him, prapancharatah, constantly involved in the prapancha, sukshmam vimukti margam katham niriksheta, person who is busy in making all the worldly successful deals and trying to enjoy pleasures of the world, where does he have time to think about liberation? So priority for liberation doesn't come for such person. Kame na kantam parigrihya tadvat janopyayang nashyati nashta buddhihi मांसास्थि मज्जामलमूत्र पात्रं स्त्रियं स्वयं रम्यतयैव पश्यति. In the same way, just like the moth in the example, Drashtanta, in the Arshtanta, Ayam Janopi Nashta Buddhihi, this person who is lost his priorities. Nashta Buddhi does not mean does not have intellect. He is very intelligent, but he is unfit for moksha purushartha. Stri chittah purushaha kamena kantam parigrihya, with the association with such thoughts where he sees the woman or his wife with shobhana buddhi, and therefore nashyati. Acharya in Viveka Chudamani has said, Doshena tivro vishayah Krishna sarpa vishadapi. विषम निहंति भोक्तारम द्रष्टारम चक्षुषाप्ययम. Vishaya, as far as defect is concerned, is more terrible, worse than a black cobra, Krishna Sarpa Visha. Why? Because the poison will kill the person only when it enters inside the body. But the person who entertains the thoughts of the Vishaya, just thinking about it, just seeing it, he loses the viveka. Yatha patango agnishikham ramyatva buddhya nashyati. Just as the moth seeing the fire flames, he sees delight in there and destroys himself. In the same way, mamsa asthi majja malamutra patram striyam, that which is the assembly of flesh, bones, marrow, filth, the fecal matter, urine, all of this put together is human body, whether it is of a woman or a male. All bodies are like this. So one should not have ramya buddhi, a delightful body, idea in this body. Otherwise, nashyati. So if a woman entertains men's body in this way, woman also loses her priorities of life. काम एव यमः साक्षात् कान्ता वैतरणी नदी विवेकिनां मुमुक्षूणां निलयस्तु यमालयः. For a mumukshu, viveki, who wants liberation, bubhutsunam, buddhu ichunam, vicharshilanam, those who are thinking about life, kama is yamaha, kama eva yamaha, means desires are death. And in particular, the desires which will bind him for long time. Sakshat Yamaha. And Yamaha means Mrityu. Kanta Vaitarani Nadi. The wife is nothing but the Vaitarani Nadi, that river of the river which is difficult to cross, means difficult to go beyond that desire, called wife. Sometimes a person may think that wife is giving lot of sorrows, but they may have attachment for some other object, other person. So all in all, attachment is the problem. The woman is just an example given. And Yamalaya is the Nilayaha. The house itself is Yamalaya, because all bhogas are happening there. People invite so many people, and then just instead of satsang, they do bhoga. Yamalaye vapi grihepi nondranam tapatraya klesha nivrittirasti kinchit samalokya tu tadviramam sukhatmana pashyati moodhalokaha. Nranam Yamalaye api va grihe api, either in the Yamalaya or in the Griha, in one's own house, tapatraya klesha nivrittihi nasti. The Trivida Tapa, Adidaivika, Adibhautika, Adhyatmika. So Tapanam Trayam, Tapatrayam. Tapatrayat Kleshaha. Tapatraya Klesha. What are they? The sorrows. These sorrows come for everybody, basically. It is not that person who has more of certain kind of desires alone will have tapatraya. But they are not looking for the solution to get out of this. That is their problem. Adhidaivika tapa is like yaksha, rakshasa, adi devata caused upadrava. Adi bhautika is chora, vyagra, adi thief, or some dog bite, snakes. You live in forest, then tiger. And adhyatmika, jvara, shiro, roga, adav. Fever, headache, stomach ache, cold. Dehendriya prana mana manasam aswasthyam. Or mind, mental disease are there. Their end is not there. So, these tapatraya klesha, their end is not there for anyone. Unless you have understood, you don't have tapatraya klesha. You don't have the dehendriya sanghata. But Mudhalokaha, the foolish people, Mudhajanoyam, Mudhabuddhihi, Achetasaha, Tad Viramam, Tapatraya Klesha Viramam, Kinchit Samalokya, Kadachit Praptam Ishad Viramam Drishtva. When they see that for some time there is no problem, no Adidaivika, Adibhautika, Adhyatmika, and in young age generally those problems are not there. So, thinking that, they think house itself is the best place and life will remain like this forever. This is their wrong thinking. They think never ever there will be any problems. But when the problems start, then we don't have time to think for the real solution. So he does the sukha buddhi in all those bhogas and sees the house, objects, kanta, sukham, the wife, etc., children, and later people want name and fame, prestige, position, title, power, all those things. All of that is going to bind him. That's all. If it is sought with desire, it will bind you. Yamasya kamasya cha taratamyam vicharyamane mahadasti loke hitam karotyasya yamo priya san kamastvanartham kurute priya san. Yamasya kamasya cha तारतम्यम लोके विचार्यमाणम विचार्यमाणे महद अस्ति. Means there is a big difference between the yama and kama. There is no comparison. So somebody may think, yes, yama will bring death, that is terrible. Kama is not like that. He says, hitam karotyasya yamo apriya san. Yama is apriya and it will do hitam. How? Based on our karma, it will give danda, dukkham. and then I will follow Sanmarga. Sanmargagami I will become. Follower of the right path. Kama is my Priya, Yama is Apriya. That Priya Kama will do anartha for me. Kamastu Priya san anartham kurute. Kama is Priya, but it will do anartha. It will give all sorts of sorrows. Sarva dukkhanam karanam is Kama. So we think Kama is my friend, Yama is enemy. What ends up happening is Yama is my friend, Kama is enemy. Bhagavan has said in Bhagavad Gita, Kama esha krodha esha rajoguna samudbhavaha. Mahashano mahapapma vidhi enam iha vairinam. He is your vairi. Many times we hear these things, but desires don't go away. And that is why it is very important that we live life away from all those things which can cause attachments, desires. Staying away from such world is very good. Yamo satameva karotyanartham satantu saukhyam kurute hitah san kamah satameva gatin nirundhan karotyanartham hyasatam nuka katha. Yamah asatameva anartham karoti. Yama will do punishments, Yama will give punishment only to those people who are not following the right path. But hitaha san, satam tu hitaha san saukhyam kurute. Those who are satpurushas, they are on the right path, dharma marga, then he will do good to them and he'll give you sukham. He'll give sukham to those people. Or swargadi sukham, etc. Kamah satameva gatim nirundhan karoti anartham. Asatam tu nuka katha. On the other hand, Kama, those who are going forward, Satpurushas, Kama will obstruct their path. Not those who are bad people. Of good people itself, Kama will obstruct the path. What to talk about those people who are bad, negative? Asatam nuka katha. Nu or tu also could be the reading. Asatam tu ka katha. So kamastu satameva sadhu prabritinam sarvesham gatim nirundhan anartham anishtam karoti. Yamaha, how will he do ishtam? By giving sadgati to swargadi uchchaloka prapti. Uchchalokan prayachati Yamaha. But kamaha anishtam karoti. Gatim nirundhan. It will obstruct your journey. So then what to talk of asat jananam, kaminam. कैमुतिकन्यायेन तेषाम् अस्मिन् लोके बहु दुःखम् अतः परम निर्य प्राप्तिश्च कथिता. Here itself they will have lot of sorrows. Because they think everything will go according to their plan and they will enjoy. It's such a foolish thinking, because never ever anybody who thinks that everything will work out according to their plans and their desires, none of those things actually happen. Sometimes you get some success and then suddenly there is so much failure, calamity. So things don't go as per human plans. So in Kathopanishad it is said, paracha kaman anuyanti balaste mrutyur yanti vitatasya pasham. अथ धीरा अमृतत्वं विदित्वा ध्रुवमध्रुवे स्विहन प्रार्थयन्ते. Balaha, childish people, they are parajaha, they are extroverted. Kaman anuyanti, the objects or objects which are extroverted, they follow them. And vitatasya mrutyoho vitatasya pasham yanti, they get caught in the snares spread by the mrityu yama. Mrityu means not that they will only die, they will have repeated birth and death, number one. But also, they will have a lot of sufferings. Extroverted people, they will have insecurity, they will have worries. And therefore, atha dhiraha amrutatvam viditva adhruveshu iha dhruvam na prarthayante. Therefore, those who are dhira purushas, having understood that everything is impermanent, they don't look for permanent thing in those impermanent. They know permanent is something different. The impermanent, no matter how much I try, will never be permanent. Vishwasya vruddhim swayameva kangshan pravartakam kamijanam sasarja tenaiva lokah parimuhyamanaha pravardhate chandramaseva chabdihi. Prajapati swayameva vishwasya vruddhim kangshan, desiring the growth of this creation, pravartakam pravritti hetum kamijanam sasarja, he created kami people so that the creation expands. More and more people are created, pashu, pakshi, manushya, everybody. And therefore by that, Vishwavruddhi Kankshaya Kamijanam Sasarja Ataeva Parimuhyamanaha. This Parimuhyamanaha Jiva Kamijana Paritaha Momuhyamanaha. Young Luganta Prayog is there. Punar Punar Atishayana Cha Muhyamanaha. Lokaha Pravardhate. He increases the population. Yatha Chandramasa Ivacha Abdihi. Just as seeing the moon, the ocean keeps rising. In the same way, with the desires, the people, population, everything rises. Yada manomaya srishtya vishwasya vruddhirna bhavat tada prajapatina brahmana manushyebhyah kama shaktir datta. Earlier, Prajapati ji had manomaya srishti. Mentally, he created things. But that manomaya srishti did not grow. So therefore, Prajapati Brahma, he gave Kama Shakti to Manushyas, to desire. And the main desire was desire to procreate. So by that, people got deluded, and then just progeny went on increasing. तथा च परांचि खानि व्यतृणत् स्वयंभूः इति भगवतापि उक्तम् बलं बलवतां चाहं कामराग विवर्जितम् धर्मा विरुद्धो भूतेषु कामोऽस्मि भरतर्षभ. Bhagavan says, I am that kama also, but which kama? Dharma aviruddha kama among all beings. काम सत्वे संसार सत्वम, कामाभावे संसार अभावस्, तस्मात् काम एव संसारस्य कारणम। अन्वय व्यतिरेक है। When desires are there, samsara is there. When desires are not, samsara is not. So this samsarasya karanam kim? Kama. Desires are the cause of transmigration, sufferings. This is proved through Anvaya Vyatireka. So now, how is this true is explained through the shloka. कामो नाम महा जगद भ्रमयिता स्थित्वांतरंगे स्वयं स्त्री पुंसा वितरेतरांग गुणैर्हास्यैश्च भावैः स्फुटम् अन्योन्यं परिमोह्य नैजतमसा प्रेमानुबंधेन तौ बद्धा भ्रामयति प्रपंच रचनां संवर्धयन् ब्रह्मः। कामो नाम महान जगत भ्रमयिता। काम is a great jagat brahmaita, the one who deludes this jagat. Brahmaha. Brahmaha is there at the end. Brahmahanti avrunoti iti Brahmaha. Kama, what it does, it covers Brahma, my Swarupa, Ananda. Swayam antarange hridi sthitva, residing in the buddhi. How does it do that? Vasana rupena buddhau sthitva, as desires, impressions, staying in the buddhi, it does this. Stri pumsau iteretarangaka gunaihi शेष्य भावैः स्फुटम अन्योन्यम परिमोह्य नैजतमसा अन्योन्यम परिमोह्य प्रेमानुबंधेन अन्योन्यम परिमोह्य. So how the man and woman, they delude each other, that is said here. इतरेतर शरीर गुणैः, इतरेतर अंगक गुणैः, with the bodily attractions at the physical level, and smiles, hasya, bhava. Bhava means some indications through gestures, and the clothing and the walking and everything. Sharira vayaveshu saundaryatvam, shobhayamanatvam, kamyatvam, akarshanam, the attraction comes because of that. And in that, the samichinatva buddhi, shobhana buddhi, this is so delightful. So in this way, they delude each other. Anyonyam parasparam sphutam parimohya परितो मोहित्वा नैजतमसा निजमेव नैजम स्वार्थेण. That is tamaha, नैजतमः. तेन नैजतमसा स्वस्य तमोगुणेन, by one's own tamoguna means ignorance. प्रेमानुबंधेन, प्रेमणानुबंधेन, प्रेमैव अनुबंध. By that बद्धा prapancha rachanam samvardhayan brahmayati. They extend this creation. That's why one should understand Kama is the source of all dukkham. If we remember dukkham, we will not entertain Kama. Dukkham sarvamanusmritya Kama bhogan nivartayet. This is said in Mandukya Karika, in Advaita Prakarana. संकल्प प्रभवान कामान त्यक्त्वा सर्वान शेषतः प्रजहाति यदा कामान. All desires are the cause of sufferings. It all starts with sankalpa, entertaining such sankalpas. Yes, this is good, this is beautiful. काम जानामि ते मूलम संकल्पात किल जायसे. O desire, I know your root. You arise from sankalpa, the wishful thinking that yes, this should happen. That's why in Yoga Vasishtha ji says, Urdhva bahur viromyevam nacha kaschit shrunoti tat asankalpa param shreya sakimantarna bhavyate. Asankalpa is param shreya. Why that is not entertained? Means why shouldn't we not give up all the desires? Ityadibihi kamasyeva samsaram prati karanam. By all these shlokas and quotations from various places, Kama itself is the karanam for samsara. Tasya parityagena sthita prajnatvam yogarudhatvam asamsaritvam cha uktam. And when you give up these desires, then one will become, or one can become sthita prajna yogarudha, asamsari. Somebody may say, Atma is free from bondage, Atma is free from desires. Antakaran can have desires. I want to be free from desires, but I am Atma. Atma is ever free from desires. So what is wrong if Antakarana has desires? If the desires are there in Antakarana, the knowledge that I am Atma, either I will not get it or I will not become firmly established in this wisdom. So any little thing happens, then I will collapse. Why? Because it is the desires which will bind me. कामान्यः कामयते मन्यमानः सकामभिर्जायते तत्र तत्र पर्याप्त कामस्य कृतात्मनस्तु इहैव सर्वे प्रविलीयन्ति कामाः. यः कामान् कामयते सह मन्यमानः तत्र तत्र कामभिर्जायते. Person who entertains desires, he will be born there where those desires take him. Person who is paryapta kama, all his desires are fulfilled, kritatma, all desires are gone. He doesn't have any desires anymore. Atontaranga sthita kama vegat bhogye pravrittihi swata eva siddha sarvasya jantor dhruvam चे तबोधितार्थेषु कथं प्रवृत्तिः. अतः therefore अंतरंग स्थित काम वेगाद भोग्ये स्वतः सिद्धा एव प्रवृत्ति. Because of the inner turbulence of desires for all living beings, jantoho antaranga sthita kama vegat, because of that force, swataha pravritti is there. Not that they wait for somebody's instructions, Vedas, any injunctions. They will do because they want to do. Their desires will not let them sit quietly. They will give some excuse that no, this is for people, this is for this is for my guru's wish, etc., etc. Bottom line is, it is their desires. सो अंतरंगे हृदि स्थिता अंतरंग स्थिता ते च कामाः तेषां वेगात् अंतरंग स्थित काम वेगात् सो मनोगतान् आकांकामानां there is something incorrect here. मनोगतां कामानाम, अच्छा मनोगता अनुस्वार से यही पर्ण परसवर्ण एंड वापदांत से मनोगतानां कामानां वेगात because of the मनोगत kama, because where all the desires are, they are in buddhi. Kama yasya hridishyata भोग्य भोग विषयेषु प्रवृत्ति ही स्वतः एव सिद्धा, स्वतः सिद्ध भोग प्रवृत्ति इज देयर. अन्यथा चेत नो अबोधितार्थेषु अज्ञात विषयेषु ध्रुवम प्रवृत्ति ही कथम भवेत. अदरवाइज नह अस्माकं प्रवृत्ति अबोधितार्थेषु, things that we do not know but we get engaged. न कोपि काम भोगानाम ज्ञानार्थे अध्ययनम करोति. और काम भोग etc. nobody has to go to study anything. Desires are there, they drive the person and whole world. सा प्रवृत्ति ही भवत्येव यथा पश्वादिषु दर्शना. Just like in the animals also, they have desires, they know how to procreate, they don't wait for anybody or any instructions, it just keeps happening. Same is true for all human beings. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.